How to add widget on Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a widget to your Godaddy website. So we're going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to be on the specific, let's say here, dashboard. We're going to select from the items, my products, and then we're going to select the website that we want to add this widget to. For example, I'm going to choose this website. Wait for a few seconds until it is going to load the dashboard of it. And we're going to open up the website editor by clicking on Edit Website. Now, we're going to wait for a few seconds. And now I'm going to define what is going to be a widget. Basically, the widget is going to be an application or a specific section that you're going to add that is going to have some, let's say here, benefits that will support the website, or it is going to have something that it is not existing in the website builder. In our case, on the specific GoDaddy website builder, it is going to have some limitations. And these limitations are not going to let you, for example, have a music player instead or directly from the website builder. So you're going to create a third party widget that is going to be implemented in here. The most of the websites or the widgets that you're going to implement are going to be HTML or in a form of HTML codes. So you're going to add a section, and that section is going to be under the category of the files and web. Click on HTML, and then we're going to add the HTML code. We're going to focus in here on the custom code. Let the cursor right there, and we're going to let you see one of the best platforms that you can create or add the widgets from to the website of yours, which is Elfsight. Elfsight is going to be a widget creator platform that will help you to create widgets, implement them into your website with just a little bit of code. So it doesn't mean that you need to know how to code, but you're going to have the layouts. So when you are going to showcase the widgets, you're going to see all the categories that you need, from the e-commerce, the audio, the video players, social media feeds, reviews, chats, chatbots, tools, and etc. Now, for example, we're going to have maybe a chatbot or a chat added into our specific, let's say here, GoDaddy website as a chat. For example, I'm going to have the Telegram WhatsApp chat. So I can go ahead and have maybe the WhatsApp chat. Let's see if we are going to have the WhatsApp in here. We do not have it. So I can go ahead and implement a WhatsApp chat by creating a widget. This widget is already created because I have created it already. So we are going to edit it or view it how it is going to be created. Now we are going to add the number of yours. And as you can see, this is the preview of the widget. I can go ahead and head over the content and see that we can change the bubble icon, the text message or the message that is showing, the picture, the name, caption, and the welcome message. After that, we can go ahead and put the button that we are going to have as start button or start chat button or send message. After that, you're going to have the settings like for the position of the specific widget, chat display settings, open chat triggers, notifications, and etc. And finally, we're going to have the right to change the appearances of this widget. Now I'm going to let it as it is. I'm going only to publish it, or I can go ahead and put some modification for it. So let's see here for the specific widget. Let's see if we can go ahead and modify it to something else. Basically, I do not want to modify it to something else, so we're going to have it just like that. Click on close or publish, install, copy the code, head over your website, and we're going to select the, as you can see, the section, paste that code, and you're going to find your widget added. And here we have the widget. You can go ahead and customize this specific, let's say, plate or the specific section by maybe modifying the color of it, but I highly suggest for you that you're going to find it in here. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.